Hello, it's your boy Rocklight. Today I'm going to show you how I created this smart flash effect in Premiere Pro. First, you have to upload your clip into Premiere Pro and cut it into various parts. After cutting your clip into various parts, you click on the first clip, you go to your effects, and you add the transform effect. Then you get to your effect controls, you set a keyframe on scale. At the beginning, you set your scale to 200. At the end, you set your scale to 100. Then you adjust your shutter angle to something around 180. After doing that, you go to your first keyframe, you right click and you ease in. Then you go to your second keyframe, you right click and you ease out. After doing that, you have to just copy this effect you have created and paste to the rest of your clips. Once you have done that, that's all. Drop a comment below if you want more tutorials like this.